So in this video, we're showing off the new Overmachine option. The Overmachine option allows you to optimize the milling conditions for hard metal milling to compensate for long tool deflections and cutting forces. This helps to avoid chatter caused by thin walls generated by tool deflections and helps prevent tool and spindle damage. In the example here, we're showing a 3-axis advanced rough feature without Overmachine enabled. As you can see, it shows just the toolpath, machining the entire face without any additional toolpath. Now, let's enable Overmachine. In the options page, go to the advanced button, enable Overmachine. You can see in the picture here that the image at the top has Overmachining off and the bottom is on. Look at the difference now in the toolpath. You have an extra line at the very end to clean up the finish pass where there could be potential chatter. The simulation illustrates this perfectly. This is only one of the many new features coming out in V36.